Hello and welcome to another daily update on the Ukraine war. All combat footage from yesterday has been released by Ukrainian forces. Stay with us for daily updates like this and consider supporting us on Patreon. Chasiv Yar Drone Attack. After a failed attack by Russian forces in Chasiv Yar, Ukrainian troops eliminated the enemy soldiers using drone strikes. During the operation, civilian infrastructure was also damaged. Warriors from the 24th Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces claimed victory. Ukraine's Pathfinder drone demonstrates real firepower. As shown in this newly released footage, the Pathfinder dropped bombs on Russian troop hideouts and trenches, setting enemy positions in the forest ablaze. Incendiary shells methodically turned enemy fortifications into burning ruins, leaving the invaders no chance of escape. There are several ways to counter drone attacks, and one effective method is to use drones to attack enemy drones. In this clip, fighter drones from the 5th Assault Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces successfully intercepted enemy drones, shooting them down with sniper shots from onboard shotguns. Without this kind of aerial cover, modern ground operations would be nearly impossible. In this video, two Russian armored personnel carriers are seen approaching the front line, unaware that soldiers from the 110th Motorized Rifle Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces are lying in wait. The result, all Russian troops were eliminated and their vehicles were destroyed. Near the city of Kreminna, an F-16 pilot spotted a Russian 2B-9 Vasilok mortar squad. Moments later, a Ukrainian FPV drone team destroyed the mortar position successfully. Here's another drone footage clip, this time from the 110th BBS unit of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. A Russian infantry unit was attempting to advance, but Ukrainian drone operators stopped them. After a series of strikes, the advancing Russian battalion was completely destroyed. Yesterday, April 11th, at dawn, Russian armored vehicles and infantry advanced in battle formation toward Ukrainian positions in the Kupiansk region. Thanks to the coordinated work of the 429th Separate Regiment of Unmanned Systems Achilles and the 77th OAE Brar, the invaders were detected in time and the attack was repelled. The Achilles crews destroyed 2 tanks and hit 2 infantry fighting vehicles. this clip, anti-aircraft gunners from the 63rd Brigade and their comrades from the 45th Anti-Aircraft Brigade spotted a Russian Merlin reconnaissance drone, the most expensive drone in the Russian arsenal, worth over $300,000. Capable of flying 600 kilometers and staying airborne for 10 hours, it didn't last long. Ukrainian anti-aircraft gunners took it down using a self-destructing drone. In this clip, watch as a Russian soldier narrowly escapes a Ukrainian drone strike. The soldier was moving through a burned forest toward his trench when he spotted a Ukrainian drone overhead. He ran, and it worked. 2 bombs were dropped, narrowly missing him. Though injured, he managed to reach his trench. Fortunately for him, the drone had only 2 bombs. In footage released yesterday, a Russian position was completely destroyed by a combined Ukrainian drone and artillery strike. Watch this unique footage. A Ukrainian FPV drone shoots down an enemy drone live on camera. In total, over the past day, Russian forces suffered the loss of 1,220 personnel. Ukrainian forces also destroyed 12 tanks, 33 armored combat vehicles, 71 artillery systems, 1 air defense system, 147 tactical unmanned aerial vehicles, 143 vehicles, 1 unit of special equipment, and 1 heavy flamethrower system.